Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to screenshot on Snapchat without them knowing. So guys, if you want to screenshot someone message or snap on Snapchat and you want that and they won't know, or if you try to screenshot they will get a message that you have screenshot. So let me show you. So as you can see, I'm going to show you how you can do that without let them knowing. So let's get start the video. Before we start the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos. So if someone has sent you a snap, so as you can see, there's a snap here. So I have got this snap here. Now I'm going to screenshot this snap without them knowing. So how we can do that? So what you're gonna do is, once you get the Snapchat on your snap, now open the control center on your iPhone, turn on the airplane mode, turn off the Wi-Fi, make sure that Wi-Fi is turned off. And what you're gonna do is, you're gonna open the snap, take a screenshot. So once you've done this, now what you're gonna do is, you're gonna hold on to the chat, click on chat setting, click on clear chat from feed. So once you've done this, go back, close it. Now turn on the Wi-Fi again. Now you can turn off the airplane mode. So once the Wi-Fi is connected, now you can go to your snap. Now as you can see, there's no any option of screenshot. So this is how you can guys take a screenshot without them knowing. So hope you guys like this video. If you do, then leave a like and comment. Thanks for watching.